Hi, we are here to tell you about a sensor technology, called Z-Nose, that effectively checks the quality of the beverages. The demand for good quality has shifted the competitiveness of beverage production from quantity and price to quality of the beverage and acceptability of the production procedures. Here are 4 scandalous news that raised our eyebrows in the past. Authority of Concord, Massachusetts voted in favor of banning bottled water, as bad plastic can affect health severely. In Ecuador, Tantara Winery's alcohol, adulterated by methanol, killed 11 people. In 2012, 7 people died in the Czech Republic after consuming poisonous alcohol. In 2011, more than 100 tons of toxic cooking oil was found by the authorities in China. If you are worried about the quality of beverages, then Z-Nose is the one-stop solution. Next, we discuss the 3-step process of a Z-Nose. Firstly, the sample is collected and pumped through a capillary tube that pre-concentrates vapors in the trap, while maintaining helium flow through the GC column to the SAW detector. Then, rotary valve injects trapped vapors into the helium carrier gas to analyze the vapor. Lastly, the released vapors travel through the column and the SAW detector measures their retention time and frequency. Now let's take a look at the 5 key applications of beverage quality control. First is beer. 4 common American beers, Bud, Coors, Michelob, and Miller's, were subjected to the testing procedures. Despite the difficulty of discriminating each beer, Z-Nose, with its ability, quantified every compound present in them. Here is a sample vapor print image of the tests performed. Next beverage to be tested was whiskey. 3 different types of whiskey, American bourbon, French cognac, and Nika whiskey, were evaluated. Whiskey contains high concentration of alcohol, creating difficulty in separation of its compounds. But Z-Nose, with high-speed chromatography, successfully separated the compounds of all 3 whiskeys. Here are the output images for the same. Third is sesame oil, an important ingredient used throughout the food industry for cooking. Z-Nose performed a detailed discrimination by creating orthogonal virtual sensor array to quantify the concentration of the 11 most common compounds present in the sesame oil. The vapor print images of the tests look like this. Fourth is wine. A great wine can be destroyed by even the small traces of contamination. Z-Nose tested 3 different wines, Shiraz, Bertraminer, and Cabernet Sauvignon, to analyze the quality of each brand. Here are some important observations in the form of vapor print images. Lastly, the bottled water, the most common beverage of all, was also tested for quality. Due to latent bacteria, or absorption of aromatics from the plastic container, contamination in bottled water is quite common. Here are the 11 odors found in bottled water, indicating contamination from improperly cured plastic bottles. Hence, Z-Nose instrument, by electronic sensor technology, with its distinctive features and advanced technology, acts as a favorable solution for effective quality control for all the beverage companies.